Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel. I film a lot of college content, productivity vlogs, and lifestyle videos like that. Also a little studio vlogs. Now today happens to be another studio vlog. My inventory came early, so I'm very excited about that. So we just have a lot of things to do in order to get my Etsy shop up and running, so we're gonna try to knock that out over the course of a few days during this vlog. And my hair is out of the braids, just kind of doing its own thing right now, and I don't even have my nails on. We're very natural right now, and I don't know how I feel about it. But yeah, my camera battery needs to charge actually, which I'm so mad because I want to film right now. But we're gonna let it charge and then we're gonna get into the video. See you then. Okay, so I'm back and I got dressed. I'm wearing this comfy little set, and I made a to-do list for my Etsy shop with all I need to get done throughout this vlog and to just get it up and running. I misspelled organized, so I had to write it in white, but yeah, this is all the stuff that I have to get done throughout this vlog. By the way, I got this really cute grid paper from Joann's and I'm obsessed with it. Okay, we're just gonna go with the crazy hair today because I keep looking at it if I should change it or not, but like we're just gonna go with it. But anyways, I have a clothing rack in my room and I think I'm gonna remove the clothes off of it and put them in the closet and then hang up my inventory and just write all that I have in stock so that I can be organized just a little before. Here they are. Okay, so I'm just gonna open the boxes and I have my paper here so I can take down inventory.
Lemonade, ooh, tastes so sweet. 3 poppies, making one for me. Them ocean sounds, ooh, sip slowly. Grains of glass riding on my feet. Do you love me, do you not? Do you think about me every time?
Okay, here's the aftermath. And then I was surprised with a new package. The totes are here. The totes have arrived. I don't really like how it's this yellow color. I ordered cream, but I thought it would be more white. But anyways, I'm gonna take a break because that was kind of tiring, and also do something with my hair because now it's just looking like a poofy mess. Okay guys, I finally did something to my head. But anyways, right now, like just right now, I decided to do a Christmas themed sweatshirt. So yeah, I'm just putting a little design together right now. We have a little Christmas tree. I want to add some words, so I think I'll add "'tis the season." Yeah, and if it turns out cute, then I'll try to find some red sweatshirts because last time I checked, a lot of them were like sold out. But like then again, I can just do it on a white. And I decided the totes are going to be like little freebies, so you know you'll get a free tote because I don't really want to sell those if they're that color. So yeah, they'll be freebies. Here's how the design turned out. I don't know if it's even cute, but the words are going to be in white, not black. But yeah, we'll just see how it turns out. I need a bigger desk because I'm struggling over here. So yeah, a bigger desk is also on my list for things to look at because my desk is super small. Okay, so a needle just broke, but it's okay. I ordered so many more needles. Here is the finished look. I went with silver ornaments instead of red. I actually really like it. Now I have so much cleaning to do. My hair is crazy. Anyways, let me take off my earrings. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it a night because I'm tired. I woke up at 7 a.m. this morning. Yay me, but I'm tired. But we had a good productive day. We got a lot of things done. I ordered the red sweatshirts. I'm very excited. But okay, good night you guys. I will see you in the morning. Okay, hi, I'm back. I want to show you the sweatshirt that I made yesterday. Here she is. I love it so much. So I can't wait to make more. Okay, but anyways, I'm very happy that we're on Thanksgiving break right now because I get to focus on getting my Etsy shop up. I want to at least have like 3 listings up when I open my shop. So I want to work on another design. Okay, so I'm just going to work from my bed because I like to be comfortable while I'm doing all of this, but I want to show you the design. So this is the drawing. Of course, like it always comes out different when you digitize it. The quote says, "He is not the sun, you are." From Christina Yang. Like if you've seen Grey's Anatomy and remember that part, I love that quote so much. So he is not the sun, you are. Period. I'm going to watch some YouTube while I do this. Okay, so I got the design down and now we're about to practice just because you never know how it's going to turn out. So it's always good to practice something you don't care about before you put it on something you do care about. So I'm just using this shirt. Yeah, this is the design. Let me show you. That's how she is looking. Here it is. I really love how it turned out. I posted a TikTok as well. I will insert it somewhere. But okay, I think that's all for today. I think these are the 3 designs that I want to go ahead and post on my Etsy shop. Tomorrow we'll be taking some product photos so we can get it up. Tomorrow is also Thanksgiving, so it shall be fun. Okay guys, it's the next day. Happy Thanksgiving. Right now I am about to take product photos. Well, I'm paying my sister to take product photos of me, so we're gonna do that. I'm wearing the sweatshirt that I made yesterday. I love it so much. So yeah, I didn't make my bed today, so don't even mind that. But yeah, let's go take product photos. I was gonna wait till the food was finished, but it's kind of taking a long time, so we're just gonna do it before eat later. Guys, I made the dressing this year. Hopefully it turns out good. I'll update you on that because I love me some dressing.
Lemonade, ooh, tastes so sweet. 3 poppies, making one for me. Them ocean sounds, ooh, sip slowly. Grains of glass riding on my feet.
Okay, so we got some pictures. Hopefully they turn out good, but the food is ready to eat finally and I'm so hungry. So I'm gonna go eat. I'll take you guys with me, I guess. Come on.
Oh, this too, the mango. The names. Okay.
Okay, so it's like a lot of hours later. I look pretty crusty. I'm currently trying to list items on Etsy, but I'm having a slight problem with it. Don't know, but this is pretty much what it's looking like. I just put the name as Shop Angel Samai, so that's the name, and I think I want to launch December 1st. Shall we? I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, this is just kind of irritating me right now. So I'm gonna get ready for bed and all that stuff. Will I talk to you guys again tonight? Not sure. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Okay, I'm ready. Let me show you guys the outfit. Okay, mirror's kind of dirty, but this is the outfit. I love it. Looking like a little sun today. That's always great. These jeans are like kind of to die for, so I am completely obsessed with them. Got the Air Forces. I feel pretty cute using my little Kate Spade bag. I hardly ever switch up purses, so that's the fit today. I feel so cute. Finally, I've been in sweats all week. Yeah, I'm still rocking the slick back. You know, once you add gel, it's basically done for. You gotta wash your hair afterwards. And I need some shampoo and conditioner. And I need some conditioner. I have shampoo, but like, I'm out of conditioner, so I need to get that today. I think we might be going to Target, so yay. And also, I lost one of my AirPods, so I've just been rocking the one AirPod. Need to buy some new ones, or just, I need to see if they sell one by itself. I don't know. But I lost one. It's pretty sad, but it is what it is. Anyways, I will stop talking and we will go now. Friday and it's Black Friday today, so I'm ready for the sales. Guys, the power of getting ready and dressed up, like I feel so good today. So good. I love that for me. But okay, we are now off to Target. Okay, it's haul time. Let's get all comfortable. So I'm just gonna show you everything that I got besides gifts because I'd rather not show that, but yeah. This first thing, super cute. It's this little snowman mug. Like, I seriously can't wait to use this. I'm probably gonna use this tonight for my hot chocolate. I'm very excited for this. Okay, we have this little pooper scooper. I have a cat. She needs these. Got a new one. I got the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo and conditioner. This is the brand that I use. I love it so much. So I had to get them, and it came in these big sized bottles. So very excited and happy about that because you'll always need some more shampoo and conditioner. So got some wrapping paper, just plain old snowflakes on it. This was simple and cute, so I got it. Okay, so now on to Joann's. That's all I got for myself at Target. From Joann's, I got 2 storage boxes for my thread, and I cannot wait to put this in there because my thread has been everywhere, so I'm glad I finally have somewhere to put it. And then I went to Staples and I got some thank you cards so I can write you guys thank you cards if you were to purchase one of my sweatshirts or things like that. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's all the things I got for me. That's why I didn't do a whole separate Black Friday haul because I barely didn't do any shopping. I did a lot of shopping on Amazon, but not going to be here today. I think I want to put my thread in my container boxes now, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so I have completed everything on this to-do list that I was doing for this video, and I have chosen a launch date, December 1st. Very excited, very nervous, a lot of emotions I'm feeling, but overall I'm very excited and I'm glad I get to be creative and just have fun. So by the time this video goes up, hopefully my shop will be launched and open, or maybe after. Don't know when I'm posting this, but hopefully all goes well. It is now nighttime and I'm gonna do all of my little nightly things. My little scale for the packages came, and now I can finish listing all my products on the website. So I'm very excited about that, but I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow because I'm gonna have a little movie date. I do this because it's online, but yeah. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog off here. I know when I do like multiple days in my life, the video is super choppy. And if you hear my sister, she's here, sorry. But yeah, so sorry if this video was really choppy. I try to edit it in a way that it just flows, and by the time I end the videos, I don't even remember like what all I got footage of. So I'm sorry if this wasn't a super interesting vlog, but yeah, this was the last like getting prepared to launch the Etsy shop, because by the time you see it, it'll probably already be up. So you'll see like working days in my life plus schoolwork, because I am still in college and I'm still taking classes. So I happen to be on break this week, so I haven't been doing any work, but I have finals coming up, so wish me luck. And yeah, I love you guys so much. This video's nice comment will go to Zana because she comments on nearly every one of my videos and she gives me consistent support, and I just love you so much, and I really appreciate you and all the support you give to me. I hope you're doing well and I hope you're safe, and I just wish you the best in every single thing that you do. I love you, and I love all of you guys so much. If you have made it up to this point in the video, just leave the turkey emoji down below in the comments, because I just like to see who watch my videos all the way through, and it's kind of like an inside joke. So make sure to leave that down below. Okay, I love you guys so much. I'm gonna have my little movie date, so I'll see you guys in the next video.
Turned 19 and I dropped out for a few months in my hometown.